Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my another new video. Now I will show how we can fix our laptop or computer time zone. Or so let's search the Cortana date and time setting. So let's write date and time setting, then enter your button of your keyboard. Then you will see the setting option like this. Here is my location zone is Astana. So let's use another time zone, like as per your residence. I will choose Dhaka. So the time is automatically updated, as well as you can set time automatically and set time zone automatically. So it automatically takes Dhaka. Now I will change it to Fort Louis. So the time is updated at as per Fort Louis. The time zone automatically then automatically update as per my location Dhaka. Hopefully you will understand. It's very easy. Thank you so much. Welcome to my next video. Assalamu alaikum.